Today we're revisiting my 42-inch Hampton Bay Grayton 2. Filmed this fan around 2 years ago now. Got this fan from a buddy of mine who purchased this thing a couple years ago from a thrift store, brand new in the box. He had it installed somewhere for a little while, then took it down and later gave it to me. So my original video just showing the fan flush mounted with the bleed stoke side of the blade showing. And that's basically how the fan came to me. It came to me used, and I kind of thought he threw away the original box. But thankfully he didn't, and I was able to get the original box for this fan, and all the rest of the parts for it. So now I can show you the fan, what it looks like, 100% complete. This one here is from 2002, 3-speed electrically reversible, manufactured by PowerMax. Top there is the information stickers. Of course, the Grayton 2 was Hampton Bay's second cheapest offering. Of course, next to the Littleton, which was the first cheapest. And their quality definitely reflects that. So, of course, I'll show you what the box and the paperwork looks like in a bit. So, let's go ahead and start this up on low. So as you can hear, pretty noisy. For some reason, I think all these Grayton 2s have a tendency to make an electrical hum to them like this. Likely poor build quality. Go to medium. And high. Performance, it's okay, moves a okay amount of air. It's about on par with the Littleton. Blade pitch on the fan is 11 degrees. Turn the light back on. It's got a small wobble. Nothing too serious. And while it coasts down, we'll show you the box. And here we are. This model depicted on the box, I believe, is the SMC variant. They were also, Hampton Bay loved, in this time period, loved to play around with OEMs for some reason. Seems like the Grayton 2 was majority made by PowerMax, but apparently also made by SMC for some reason. Either they ran concurrent or one's earlier than the other, I don't know. But a classic gray and green box design of the early 2000s. Pretty simple. This panel here shows all the specifications here. Motor is 153 by 9, 11-degree blade pitch. Pretty simple. Top of the box. And here's all the other paperwork. Telephone hotline for missing part replacement. Warranty registration. Cut out mail in. Owner's manual. Flip through this real quick. Pretty detailed manual. Even for their cheapest offerings like this. Something I've always liked about Hampton Bay. They took care with the manuals here. There's a bit of specifications there in terms of RPM, CFM rating, all that fun jazz. And of course the other side is Spanish. And we have a switch housing cap in case you didn't want to use the integrated UFO single globe on the fan. You could attach any kind of light you wanted to on it off of that switch cap. So there you go, folks. There was the 42-inch Hampton Bay Grayton 2 ceiling fan from 2002. Revisited. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like always, stay cool. Take care. Peace.